Hi, John.
Hi.
Hey, my I-130 is approved. I'm in the United States. What do I do?
Okay, I'm so happy for you that your I-130 is approved. That's step number one. Now, the next step depends if you enter with the visa or not. By the way you phrase the question, sounds like you enter without a visa. There's still an option, all right? And that is to file a 601A waiver because that waives any unlawful presence.
What's wrong, John?
So there's two things, especially when you don't have an attorney on your that you've hired, okay? Most people that don't have one, they do the mistake of actually waiting, first of all, for the visa interview, and it gets scheduled, and leave the United States, and it triggers the unlawful presence bar. Okay, so if you're watching this right now, it doesn't have to be us, but talk to an immigration lawyer one-on-one, very important, so you take the right pathway. And here's the second concern, is that if you don't hire a lawyer, authorize one, it's going to affect your case because these applications take more than 3 years now. Before pandemic, it took about average 8 months across the board, along with my colleagues as well. But now, it's even more important to consider hiring an attorney because they take so long and you don't want a request for evidence sent to you years later and you don't know what to do and then the deadline passes. All right, so you want to know next steps. Usually it takes 3 to 5 weeks for the National Visa Center, which is with the Department of State, to email you 2 new numbers, a new case number and a new invoice number. And you need both of those to be able to complete the DS-260 and pay, first before that, to pay the fees, okay? Which is total $445 per immigrant applicant. File it for more.